What if success isn't something you chase, but something you attract? Most people spend their lives running after money, recognition, and opportunities, wondering why success keeps slipping away. Jim Rohn taught a radically different idea. Success is drawn to the person you become. When you grow, everything else grows with you. In this video, you'll discover why working harder isn't enough, why luck is overrated, and how personal development quietly pulls success into your life. Stay with me until the end, because one shift in perspective could completely change how you pursue your goals forever. 1. Success is not pursued, it's attracted. Jim Rohn's statement that success is something you attract by the person you become reframes the entire conversation about achievement. Instead of portraying success as a distant object to be hunted down, it positions success as a response, a consequence, and a reflection of inner development. When people spend their lives chasing money, recognition, or status without transforming their thinking and behavior, they often experience exhaustion and disappointment. The chase creates tension because the outer results they want are not yet supported by their inner capacity. Rohn's idea reminds us that life is not withholding success out of cruelty. Rather, life mirrors who we are. When we grow, life responds accordingly, not out of favoritism, but out of alignment. The frustration many people feel comes from trying to force outcomes while remaining the same person internally. They want better results with the same habits, the same discipline, the same emotional reactions, and the same level of skill. This mismatch creates resistance. Success does not resist effort, but it does resist stagnation. When inner growth is absent, outer rewards feel fragile or unreachable. But when an individual commits to becoming more capable, more focused, and more responsible, the tension disappears. Results begin to feel like a natural extension of who they are becoming rather than a prize stolen from the world through sheer force. Attraction operates quietly, almost invisibly. When you sharpen your skills, refine your communication, and strengthen your character, people notice without you needing to announce it. Opportunities arise not because you demanded them, but because your presence now solves problems. This is the deeper meaning of attraction. Value calls for recognition. When your thinking improves, you see possibilities others overlook. When your emotional control improves, you handle pressure better than most. These inner upgrades send signals to the environment, and success responds by moving closer, often in unexpected ways. Chasing success often produces anxiety because it is rooted in fear of not having enough or not being enough. Attraction, on the other hand, is rooted in confidence built through preparation. When you know you are growing daily, urgency is replaced with patience. You no longer panic about timing because you trust the process of becoming. This patience is not passive, it is active self-investment. Every book read, every skill practiced, and every weakness addressed adds weight to your character. Success is drawn to that weight because it can be sustained there. Ultimately, success is not impressed by desire alone, it responds to identity. What you repeatedly do shapes who you are, and who you are determines what you attract. When you focus on becoming disciplined instead of merely wealthy, capable instead of merely famous, and grounded instead of merely admired, success has a stable place to land. Rohn's insight teaches that the fastest way to reach success is paradoxically to stop chasing it directly and start building the person who naturally belongs in its presence. 2. Personal development comes first. Jim Rohn's assertion that income rarely outgrows personal development challenges the common belief that external circumstances are the primary limit on success. Many people blame the economy, lack of opportunity, or unfair systems, while ignoring the internal ceiling created by their own skills and mindset. Personal development is not a motivational luxury. It is the infrastructure that supports every level of achievement. Without it, even sudden success collapses. With it, steady growth becomes inevitable. Rohn's message is clear. Before asking life for more, you must become more. Personal development begins with deliberate learning. Reading daily, studying new ideas, and exposing yourself to higher standards of thinking expands your mental framework. When your understanding deepens, your decisions improve. Better decisions compound into better results. This is why growth must precede income. Money flows toward those who can manage, multiply, and protect value. If someone lacks the discipline or wisdom to handle greater responsibility, increased income would become a burden rather than a blessing. Growth prepares the mind to receive what ambition desires. Skill development is another pillar of personal growth. The marketplace rewards competence, not intention. Wanting success is irrelevant if you cannot deliver results. When you improve your ability to communicate, solve problems, and execute consistently, your value becomes tangible. This value creates leverage. People seek you out because you make their lives easier or their outcomes better. Over time, this demand translates into higher income and broader opportunities. The world does not pay for potential. It pays for demonstrated ability, refined through continuous development. Mindset is equally critical. Personal development reshapes how you interpret challenges and setbacks. Without growth, obstacles feel like stop signs. With growth, they become training grounds. A developed mindset understands that failure is feedback, not identity. This perspective keeps you moving forward when others retreat. Income and success expand when resilience expands. The stronger your internal framework, the less external circumstances can destabilize you. This emotional stability is rare, and rarity is always valuable. When Rohn said that if you want more, you must become more, he was emphasizing responsibility over entitlement. Personal development shifts the focus from what you deserve to what you are prepared to handle. As your discipline strengthens and your self-respect grows, your standards rise. You no longer tolerate mediocrity in your actions. This internal elevation forces external change. Opportunities that once felt unreachable begin to align naturally, because you have become the kind of person who can sustain them. 3. Discipline creates the attraction. Discipline is the bridge between intention and attraction. Without it, personal development remains theoretical. Jim Rohn often emphasized that small daily disciplines, practiced consistently, create massive long-term results. This truth is uncomfortable because it removes excuses. Success is not built through rare bursts of motivation, but through ordinary actions repeated with commitment. Discipline shapes identity quietly, day by day, until the results appear almost inevitable. What looks like luck to outsiders is often the visible tip of years of disciplined effort. The power of discipline lies in its compounding effect. Waking up a little earlier, reading a few pages, practicing a skill for an extra hour, these actions seem insignificant in isolation, but over time they reshape how you think and how you respond to life. Discipline trains you to act based on values rather than emotions. This emotional mastery is magnetic. People trust those who are consistent, and trust attracts responsibility, leadership, and opportunity. Choosing growth over comfort is one of discipline's greatest tests. Comfort feels safe, but it produces stagnation. Discipline invites temporary discomfort in exchange for long-term freedom. Each time you follow through on a commitment, even when it is inconvenient, your self-trust increases. Confidence is not something you fake. It is something you earn through repeated proof to yourself that you can be relied upon. That confidence alters how you carry yourself, speak, and decide, and others respond to it instinctively. As discipline strengthens, chaos diminishes. Your environment becomes more organized, your goals clearer, and your actions more intentional. This clarity is attractive because it reduces friction. Opportunities tend to flow toward individuals who are prepared, not overwhelmed. Discipline creates preparedness. When opportunity meets preparation, success feels natural rather than stressful. You are no longer scrambling to rise to the occasion. You are ready when it arrives. In the end, discipline is not about restriction, but alignment. It aligns your daily actions with your long-term vision. Through this alignment, you become the kind of person success is drawn to. Results follow not because you demanded them, but because your habits shaped an identity capable of sustaining them. This is why discipline does not merely produce success, it attracts it, quietly and consistently, over time. 4. Your philosophy shapes your results. Your personal philosophy is the invisible architect of your life, quietly shaping every decision, habit, and outcome you experience, whether you are aware of it or not. Jim Rohn taught that philosophy is not something abstract reserved for thinkers and scholars, but a practical operating system that governs how you interpret events, respond to challenges, and define what is possible for yourself. If you believe life happens to you, you will wait, react, and complain. If you believe life responds to you, you will act, adjust, and grow. This difference alone determines whether a person drifts through circumstances or deliberately steers toward a chosen destination. Philosophy is the lens through which effort becomes meaningful or pointless, and it is the silent force that turns ordinary days into either stepping stones or stumbling blocks. Blaming circumstances is one of the most common philosophies people adopt without realizing it, and it is also one of the most limiting. When someone attributes their results to the economy, their upbringing, their government, or other people, they surrender their power in exchange for temporary emotional comfort. Jim Rohn emphasized that while circumstances are real, they are not final authorities over your future. Ownership is the turning point where progress begins, because it restores your ability to choose a response. The moment you say, "This is my responsibility," you reclaim control over your thinking, your actions, and your standards. Responsibility does not mean self-condemnation, it means self-direction. It is the recognition that even when you cannot control what happens, you can control what it makes of you. Your philosophy also determines how you relate to effort and time. Many people hope for quick results because their philosophy is rooted in impatience and external validation, but growth operates on a different timeline. Jim Rohn often reminded his audiences that success is not something you pursue directly. It is something you attract by the person you become. This attraction is governed by consistent application of sound principles over time. When your philosophy embraces patience, discipline, and learning, you stop demanding immediate rewards and start investing in long-term development. You begin to value daily habits, small improvements, and steady progress, understanding that these are the true building blocks of meaningful achievement. A growth-oriented philosophy transforms failure from a verdict into feedback. Instead of asking, "Why does this always happen to me?" you begin asking, "What is this teaching me?" This shift in questioning changes everything. According to Jim Rohn, life does not get easier or harder, it gets better when you get better. Each setback becomes an invitation to refine your skills, strengthen your character, and clarify your vision. When you see challenges as classrooms rather than punishments, you extract value from experiences that once discouraged you. Over time, this approach compounds into wisdom, resilience, and confidence that no external condition can easily shake. Ultimately, your philosophy shapes your expectations, and your expectations shape your actions. If you expect growth, you prepare for it. If you expect stagnation, you tolerate it. Jim Rohn taught that success is attracted to those who believe in their capacity to learn, adapt, and evolve. This belief does not deny difficulty, but it refuses to be defined by it. A strong philosophy anchors you during uncertainty and guides you during opportunity, ensuring that you do not waste either. When you consciously choose principles that empower rather than excuse, you align your inner world with the results you seek in the outer world, and progress becomes not an accident, but an inevitability. 5. Become the kind of person success follows. The most powerful shift in the pursuit of success occurs when you stop asking how to get it and start asking who you must become. Jim Rohn insisted that success is rarely chased down. It is drawn in by character, competence, and contribution. This perspective removes desperation from ambition and replaces it with purpose. Instead of focusing on external rewards, you begin focusing on internal development. The question of becoming redirects your energy toward habits, values, and skills that naturally produce results over time. In this way, success stops being a distant prize and becomes a byproduct of personal evolution. Becoming the kind of person success follows begins with integrity, because integrity is the foundation upon which trust, reputation, and self-respect are built. Without integrity, any achievement is fragile and temporary. Jim Rohn taught that success achieved without character carries its own form of failure, as it erodes peace of mind and invites instability. When your words align with your actions and your values guide your decisions, you create consistency in how others experience you and how you experience yourself. This consistency builds confidence, both internally and externally, making you someone others want to work with, support, and follow. Value creation is another defining trait of individuals who attract success. Rather than asking what they can get, they ask what they can contribute. Jim Rohn emphasized that income, opportunity, and influence tend to be proportional to the value you bring to the marketplace and to other people's lives. This value may take the form of skills, solutions, leadership, or service, but it always begins with growth. When you commit to learning more, practicing more, and improving more, you naturally become more useful. As usefulness increases, so do opportunities, because success follows those who solve problems and elevate others. Service is the quiet multiplier that accelerates personal development. When you focus on helping others succeed, you expand your own capabilities in the process. Jim Rohn often noted that giving is not a loss, but a form of preparation, because it stretches your capacity and refines your character. The more you give, whether knowledge, effort, or encouragement, the more you discover what you are capable of becoming. Service shifts your attention outward, reducing ego and increasing perspective, which in turn strengthens leadership and emotional intelligence. These qualities make success sustainable rather than fleeting. Growth, above all, is the ongoing commitment that keeps success within reach. Becoming is not a one-time event, but a lifelong process of refinement. Jim Rohn taught that personal development is the greatest investment you can make because it improves everything else you touch. When you commit to growing mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, you increase your capacity to handle responsibility, opportunity, and adversity. Success follows those who are prepared for it, and preparation is the result of daily choices to read, reflect, practice, and improve. By focusing on who you are becoming, you align yourself with the quiet law of achievement, where success arrives not as a reward you demand, but as a result you have earned. Jim Rohn's message is clear: don't chase success, attract it. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job, and life will reward you in ways effort alone never could. If this message resonated with you, reflect on one area where you can grow today, because the moment you start becoming more, success will start moving toward you.